Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well in your life. Welcome to my YouTube channel SS Prem Rai. In this video, I'm going to talk about wonderful topic that is how to build belief on yourself. So, which is related with how you can get the faith on yourself, and it is lovely topic and I really want to talk on this particular topic. So before going to start this topic, if you are first time on my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not going to miss any update from my next video. So let's start this topic. So how you can start believing on yourself. If you really want to be a happy person in your life, if you really want to be a successful person in your life, that means you need to start believing on yourself first. Because if you not believing on yourself, if you are not having faith on yourself, that means you will not going to achieve anything in your life. So if you really want to be a happyful person in your life, if you really want to be a successful person in your life, you need to start believing on yourself first. Because most of the people, they not believing on their self, and due to this reason they are not achieving anything, they are not achieving their goal in their life. So once you will going to believe, if you are the failure, if you are believing like that, I am the failure, that means every moment, every circumstances, every situation will be become like this only, and you will going to get failure over there. But when you will going to start believing on yourself, if you have a faith on yourself, if you have a belief on yourself, then you will going to see every circumstances, every situation, every moment will going to become like successful for you. So you should have to believe on yourself first. And how you will going to make the belief on yourself, that is first point, which is a strong mentality. You should have to build your strong mentality. That means you should have to know about yourself, and you should have to get that faith on you, so that every situation, every moment you will going to tackle like this way. And once you will going to get this kind of confidence, once you will going to make this kind of belief on yourself, that means every moment, every circumstances you will going to make as a successful person in your life. And no matter how much people will going to criticize you, what the people will think about you, but the matter is only what you thinking about you, that is only matter. So please, if you really want to be a successful person, if you really want to achieve your goal, if you really want to make big difference in your life, you should have to believe on yourself, you should have to start believing on yourself. Then only it is possible for you, you will going to achieve everything in your life. And that is how lots of people are made big difference in their life, because they have believed their self and they are doing well in their life. So if you really want to be like them, you should have to also start believing on yourself, and then you're going to see the changes inside of yourself, and you're going to make big difference in your life. So please, if you are the person who are not believing on yourself, please try to stop these things and just believe on yourself, and then you're going to see what is the happening in your life. Because most of the people, they are not believing their self, and they doesn't know how they are going to achieve their goal in their life, because they are always thinking negative things, they are always thinking their failure, means they are always fear to failure. Yes, of course, if you will going to do some new things in your life, there is a failure, but you should have to face that failure, you should have to learn from your failure, because failure is your success. Once you are going to fail, somehow you are going to learn something from there, and it is an opportunity for your next things. So please, if you are getting fail anywhere, if you are doing such new things, and if you are getting fail anywhere, you should have to think as an opportunity and be consist yourself. And if you are going to faith on you, if you have a belief on you, nothing is going to impossible for you, you are going to make everything possible for your life and for your career, for your growth. So if you are really want to be a successful person and a happy person in your life, you should have to start believing on yourself with the strong mentality. And I hope you will going to change your life, and you will be the best version of your life. So I would like to request you to all of you, if you really want to be a successful person in your life, just start to find some strength point that inside of you. Because every person has some potential, every person have some positive point and some negative point. So please try to find out your strength point, Of course you have also some weak point, but once you're going to work on your strength point, that strength point will going to take you to your success level. So once you're going to believe on yourself, you're going to get that confidence, and with that confidence there is a huge chances for you're going to tackle any situation, any problem like this only. So please, if you really want to be a best version of your life, if you really want to create a history, if you really want to be a successful person in your life, you should have to just start believing on yourself and just keep the faith on yourself. And this is the first things and this is the last things through which you will going to achieve anything in your life. Because of course once you're going to start believing on yourself, that means you're going to think like that no matter how much problem will going to come in front of my dream, no matter how much situation, difficult situation will going to come in front of my dream, but I will going to tackle this all the problem like this way only. So this kind of confidence will going to come out only if you have a faith on yourself, only you have a belief on yourself. So this is the first things that is you need to do. First start believing on yourself, on yourself, and then you're going to find everything is possible for you, and you're going to make your dream beautiful, and you're going to make your dream into the reality. So if beautiful life, if you like this video, please do subscribe and share this video to all of your friends also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to all of you.